I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Peppa, George, Mummy and Daddy are having breakfast.
Mummy, please can we go out to play?
No.
George loves playing in the garden. 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 Garden.
George, I'm going to throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. George!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Revenge! George, I know how to cure hiccups.
Wow! You have to do as I say. Okay. Find the narwhal with the metal horn and then jump off it. Okay. Keep trying. You'll get it. Instead, act like you're about to chase a bear, but then he freezes you. Okay. Next, you will be starting to eat a very spicy pepper that burns a dragon. Okay. Now, act like you are on drugs and fell over. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna scare you. I'm gonna scare you really good. Okay. I'm gonna scare you. Stop!